In this short tutorial video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to carry out a hygiene verification test using Klipspringer's A3 hygiene monitoring system. Start by removing the A3 hygiene monitor and a swab from your kit. Then remove the swab from the tube and swab your test surface thoroughly in a zigzag motion, covering a 10 by 10 centimeter area. After you've finished swabbing, place the swab back into the tube and shake vigorously for 5 seconds to activate the enzyme. Then insert your swab into the A3 hygiene monitor. Press start and wait 10 seconds for the system to analyze the sample. Your result appears instantly and can be synced to the A3 app for easy tracking and reporting. And that's your test complete. If you need any further support, contact the Klipspringer team and we'll be happy to help.